powerful drink that will shake off 10 years of your age. Yes, I said 10 years. It's no joke. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share a secret recipe that I've been using for years now, and I would like to share it with you guys. And I also used it during my pregnancy, and it's so amazing, and I would like you guys to have such experience that will shade off 10 years of your age. Yes, I said 10 years. It's no joke. I'm a living proof. It's working for me, and I feel I should share it. So we have so many things we can use to shake off years of our age. The most important thing we need to take note of, what we take in, which important thing we take note of. Whatever you take in is whatever you get. Like a term in computer says garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you garbage into your system is whatever your body will give back to you. So you should always make sure you eat healthy. Healthy lifestyle is very important to take note of if you must have a very good skin. It is packed with minerals, vitamins that your body needs. There's a saying that garbage in, garbage out. If you put in rubbish into your body, you get back rubbish. So the important advice I would like to give concerning this is healthy lifestyle is very important. When we get to our mid-20s, we start to shed our skin, of which we come across so many toxins, but this powerful drink will detoxify our system and make our skin very clean. So if you are from age 20 and above, I will advise you to try this drink and you'll come back with good results. This powerful drink is rich in vitamin C, rich in vitamin A. It's very good because it will make your skin look fresh and it will make you look very young. Like there's a saying I always say when I was in uni, and up to now I also say it, I want to be forever young. I know it's not possible, right? But we can as well make it possible. Like we women, we tend to age very fast. Why? Because of childbearing. So you need to take care of your skin. You don't feel, okay, I'm married now, and okay, I'm married to him and he cannot look elsewhere. My sisters, to be frank with you, if you start looking like an old woman, no man will want to take you out for an event with him, because he can't have someone by his side that looks older than him or looks older than his mother. So we need to sit up and take care of our skin to make sure we keep our homes, keep our relationships. And it's also good for the aging women. It's good for everyone, because as you tend to age, your skin tends to shades off, and of which it becomes like wrinkle. But this drink will take off the wrinkled skin. This drink is an anti-aging drink which firm your skin. And not to say much, let me just take you straight to how we can prepare this drink. It is very easy to prepare, and you can easily get the fruits anywhere you go to. It's very easy to get, and it's also not expensive. Like so many people pay lots of money just to make their skin look fresh and healthy, but with just this one recipe, you can get the results that so many people use thousands just to get that result. So let me take you straight to where I prepared this. I'm so excited to share this with you. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if this is your first time of seeing my video, please don't hesitate to subscribe and click the like and also comment, and you can ask me any questions and I'm ready to answer. And also don't forget to click the notification button, which will notify you whenever I post new videos. Don't miss out from my posting because I have loads and loads of secret recipes that I would like to share with you guys. So let's go straight to the kitchen to prepare. Here's our secret recipe. This powerful thing that does our skin good. Carrot is very rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. So I will show you how to prepare this in a moment, but before that I will explain what carrot does in the body. It has loads of things it does in the body. It increases metabolism, it helps in stronger vision, it improves skin disorder. That is where we stand. So it improves skin disorder. When you're faced with some skin disorders, with carrot it helps you to recover faster from external wounds and whatever. So, and carrot is also rich in beta carotene. Beta carotene, it's contained in so many of the body creams, anti-aging creams they make. So that is the most powerful part in it. And why not take it naturally instead of using chemicals on your skin? So let's just go straight to how I prepare this. It has lots of benefits, so I prefer to use juice. If you don't have juice at home, you can also use fresh orange if you have orange, depending on what you will like to use in it. Some people like to use ginger, just a little. So this is my secret recipe. This is what I take. Is you make sure you wash your carrots properly in order to avoid taking in germs, since it's not going through the heating process. So you need to wash it properly, then clean it up properly, and you're good to go. Take this, I always take this a glass before I go to bed, because reason why is because my nerves tend to get relaxed at night time, and once you take this you sleep off and it does its magic in your system and the detoxification takes place. This is a way to help ourselves avoid using creams, because creams will eventually damage your skin. What you're running from, the creams will eventually more harm than good to you. And this is very easy to get. Make sure you try this out, and I can't wait to get your comments. I can't wait to hear from you all about the effects you get from this. I will see you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also share this with your friends, your loved ones about this. So catch you guys. Bye.